everything that's wrong with Ohio mulch. And today we're going to answer the question about how much mulch is in a 2 cubic foot bag. As we look, the line produces the mulch. We're going to go ahead and take a standard bag. The actual computation is 9 inches by 16 inches by 24 inches. We're going to use our standard measuring device, 25.5 inches tall. We'll pick a random bag off the line. As you can see, one thing that we do here at Ohio Mulch is we take all the precautions necessary to ensure that we have a minimum of 2 cubic feet in each bag.